Hello, we're here at the Mobile World Congress for smartphonebiznews.com, and we're with Sven from Kontron company. Hello, Sven.
Hi, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Can you please tell us a bit about Kontron and what is it that you do?
Yeah, Kontron is a global-wide company with about 2,500 employees worldwide, primarily focusing on engineering for commercial off-the-shelf components, and primarily for the network infrastructure. You can see some of the applications here at the Mobile World Congress, primarily LTE and WiMAX, are the key drivers for the industry. But most of the telecom equipment manufacturers like Alcatel-Lucent, Nokia, Siemens, Nortel, and so on, don't have the resources available anymore to build hardware and focus on the hardware. The tendency is to move towards commercial off-the-shelf components, hardware components, and therefore we're providing to the market standard-based hardware components based on Intel and Cavium, primarily for network processing. The demand for higher bandwidth is there, and network processing is a key for success, primarily for LTE, since we're talking about all-IP network infrastructure. And we're moving towards a 40 gig infrastructure, and therefore the components are capable of providing compute power and bandwidth for 40 gigabit Ethernet and beyond in the future.
And what are the new highlights for 2010? What's new in the market for you?
What's new in the market is the network processing strategy with higher bandwidth, up to 40 gig on the backplane on the system approach, with load balancing and content insertion for some of the applications, mobile applications. Network processing is a key to make it successful. Besides the Intel architecture, where system management and so on is still playing a valuable role, but the network processing and the 40 gigabit Ethernet drive, higher bandwidth, is the key for 2010.
And what are your expectations for the Mobile World Congress? What are your objectives these next 4 days?
Since the major telecom equipment manufacturers are reshuffling the resources from the hardware engineering to the application engineering, our goal is to spread the market, to provide hardware components and help our customers to design platforms and get to market much quicker than in the past.
Okay. Excellent. Well, thank you so much for the interview. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.